Our final topic for today is going to be solving quadratic inequalities. But before we do that, I want to go over notation a little bit with you and just review that. So let's go ahead and write the notation in interval and in set builder for each number line. So remember that our x value is here or here, anywhere that the line is. And so we want to identify in set builder and interval. We'll do interval first. I notice that the left-hand arrow is pointing all the way to the left, so that's starting at negative infinity. Remember that that gets a parentheses. It stops at 3. The circle is open, so that means that I have a parentheses. I have a second one, and it starts at 5. Remember, you always report your smallest number, comma, biggest number. And then the arrow on the right means I'm headed to positive infinity, which always gets a parentheses. In interval notation, remember, it's just a fancy way of writing our inequality notation. It says all real numbers x such that, and for this first one, x is less than 3. Remember, it doesn't include 3, it's less than 3. And then for my second one, x is greater than 5. All right, letter B, we have points at 3 and at 5. So I'm going to write 3 and 5. Both of those are open circles, so they again get parentheses. In set notation, this time we can write it with one single piece, all real numbers x, such that 3 is less than x is less than 5. Remember that in this type of notation, our set notation, notice here that infinity symbols do not come into play. Infinities only come into play in interval notation. You just simply state the variable and its relationship to the one number that you have for that particular line.